I keep wishing I could turn back the time to do the right things to correct my mistakes. Mom guilt? Ewan ko sa inyo, but I never met a mom na walang mom guilt. Yung pang we feel guilty that we have not done what we should have done when our kids were still younger, di ba? Yung dahil pagod ako, nasigawan ko yung anak ko na makulit. Yung napabayaan kong inapi ang mga anak ko ng sarili nilang mga pinsan. Yung hindi ko na defend yung anak ko sa mapaglait na teacher niya. Alam nyo, pag dumarating ang mga memories na ng mga pagkukulang ko as a mother, I get angry at myself. Sometimes, hindi ako makatulog. I keep wishing I could turn back the time to do the right things to correct my mistakes. Mom guilt eh. Hindi yan mawawala. But it helps a lot when I recognize it. Mom guilt. When it comes to haunt me, I now try to overcome it by asking myself, during those times when I choose work over my kids, did I do the best I could with the resources and limited knowledge I had at that time? The answer is always yes. At dahil ginawa ko lang ang tangi kong makakaya sa mga panahon na yon, I forgive myself and I choose joy. Sana kayo rin. That's how you face mom guilt.